This is the Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can turn on the mobile data saver option on this device. So first of all, launch settings, then enter the dual cards and mobile networks category. Next, you gotta go for the SIM 1 over here, or if you have two SIM cards installed, just choose whatever, doesn't really matter because the data saver will be mutual for both SIM cards. So open the more section over here, then go for the data usage, data saver, and switch on the toggle. And that will effectively mean, as you can see by this little icon at the right part of the status bar, that you have successfully activated the cellular data saver option on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.